Hello and welcome to Art Crafts and DIYs. Subscribe to our channel for easy and fun follow along drawing tutorials. आज हम ड्रॉ करेंगे B for butterfly. Paper, pen, pencil and eraser for drawing, and coloring supplies of your choice. Let's get started. हमारा first step है to write down the capital letter B like so. हम एक और B लिखेंगे which will be in the opposite direction of our first B like so. Okay. Now we have two mirror image B's. Our next step is to extend the top with a slant line and bottom of the B with a longer slant line, and do the same on the other side. Our next step is to join this with this and this with the center point again with frilly lines like so. Our next step is to draw a U here and an inverted U at the top. Alright, now we draw two curves going in the opposite direction and we draw two circles on top. For the eyes, we'll add two ovals like this and we'll fill them half in black. We're done with the drawing. Let's start the coloring. And the butterfly is done. You can leave it here. I am just going to add a little bit more to the scenery. And we're done. Hope you had fun. See you later. Do make sure to subscribe for more fun educative drawing tutorials ahead.